Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about multiplication with 25, 50 and 125. So first we are going to discuss about multiplication with 25. What happened any number multiplied with 25? First some basic point you have to keep in your mind. Multiplication with 25. The working rule means how you have to solve the number. Okay, so whatever the number it is given, the given number will be divided by 4. Okay, thereafter you got the quotient and remainder, then check the remainder how much it is coming. If it is 0, last two digit will be 00. If it is 1, last two digit will be 25. If it is 2, then last two digit will be 50, and if it is 3, last two digit will be 75. See, whenever any number is multiplied with 25, suppose 73 into 25, okay, so two numbers, and except 28, 73 we are having, so the given number means 73 is the given number which is multiplied with 25. Now 73 by 4 you have to do. 73 by 4, how much it will be? 73 by 4, quotient is 18 and remainder is how much? Remainder 1. Remainder 1 means what you have to write? 25. Now how I am doing like this? See, one basic thing it is there, that 425, if you add 425 you will get 100, or if you multiply 25 by 4 then you will get 100. So we are splitting these numbers into 100, several hundred. How many 100 can come within 73? Or another method also I can explain to you, like 73 into 25 suppose. So now I can write 72 is divisible by 4, no? So 72 plus 1, this is 73, right? Now 72 into 25 is what? 72 I can write in the form of 72 into equals 18 into 4. Now this can be written as 72 into 25 plus 1 into 25. See, this 1 is this remainder, okay? This 1 is this remainder. This is the explanation, but you have to use this formula, okay? So now 72 into 25 means 18 into 4 into 25. Now 4 into 25 is how much? 100, no? So now it is 1800, it is coming or not? That means this is 1800 and this is 25. Now 1825. This is your answer or not? So we don't need to do this much process. This is the means explanation how I am doing this, okay? So simply keep in your mind, if any number it is multiplied with 25, then you have to divide that number by 4 and thereafter you have to check the remainder, always this one, and this is the remainder. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the possible remainder, because whenever we are dividing with any number, see, that much number of remainder will come including 0. That much number of remainder can come including 0. So we are dividing with 4 possible remainder we are having, 0, 1, 2, 3, and last two digit is for 0, 0, 0, last two digit for 1 is 25, last two digit for 2 is 50, and that of 3 for 75. Okay, now one more number we will discuss. Suppose 343 into 25. Now this is a 3-digit number. So what you have to do? You have to divide it by 4 first. 4, 8, 32. 23 means 4, 4, 5, 20. Remainder is 3. Remainder is 3 means how much? 3 means 75. See here, remainder is 3 means 75. So always divide the given number by 4. Always divide the given number by 4. And see, this is the quotient part. First you have to write the quotient part, and this is the remainder part. Means from where I got this 75? From this 3 I got this 75, and by dividing with 4 I got 85. So your answer is totally consists of 2 parts. Okay. Now one more number we'll discuss. If suppose any bigger number is given to you, 9384 into 25. Method is nothing. You have to divide the number by 4. Now 4 to 8, 13, 4 3 12, again 18, 4 4 16, 2 4 6 24. Oh, it is divisible. Remainder is 0. 0 means 2 0 you have to keep. The remainder is 0, the last two digit will become 20 only. So 2 3 4 6 00. So first, whenever any number multiplied with 25, first divide that number by 4. You will get a quotient and a remainder. Quotient part simply you have to write, and the relevant means I have written here, make this your note. Okay, the relevant number of the remainder you have to write, then you will get the answer. Okay, for 0 0 0, for 1 25, for 2 50, and for 3 75. One more number will do. Suppose 23597 into 25. Then what? Again this number will be divisible by 4. 4 5 20. So 3. 4 8 32. Again 3. 4 9 36. Again 3. 4 9 36, and the remainder is 1. If the remainder is 1, then last two digit will become 25. So 5 8 9 9 2 5. So just in second you will be able to solve multiplication with 25. You can take out a screenshot also and make it your note. Thereafter I will go to 50, and before that I will ask you some question. That one you have to do yourself, and you have to write in comment section. Okay, multiplication with 50. So do 97 into 25, 539 into 25, 49384 into 25. This is the 3 number that you have to do yourself. Okay. Then we'll go for what? 50. 50 means a little we have to change the rule. Okay. 50 means 250 constitute 100. So we have to divide the given number by 2, and possible remainder can be 0 and 1. 0 means 0 0, and 1 means 50. This is very easy. It is even easier as compared to 25 also. And because simply 2 remainder you will get, sorry, 50, this is 50. The process is same, means your working rule of division by 50 also, like 25. Suppose it is any number like 69, it is multiplied with 50. 69 multiplied with 50, so you have to divide the given number by 2. 69 by 2, how much? 69 means 236, and 0 here means 248. The remainder is what? 1. If the remainder is 1, then 50 you have to write. The remainder is 1. In case of 50 you have to write 50, and if the remainder is 0, then you have to write 00. Okay. Now if it is given like 23570 into 50, then same method. Again you have to divide the number by 2. No, 212 0, 212 1, then 27 14 1, again 2 8 16, again 1, 2 5 10. Remainder is 0. remainder is 0 means double 0 you have to put. 11785 double 0. This is your answer. 11785 double 0. So simple, it is very simple, like 25, but here you have to divide 2 and 2 possible remainder will come. Okay, so one more number I will do, thereafter I will give you some numbers, that one you have to do. Okay, so see, 5, 9, 3, 6, 7 into 50. So what I have to do? First the given number will be divided by 2. Shortcut means the number by 2. Okay, 2 to 4, 1 remain 19 means 2, 8, 16. Again 1 remain 13, 2, 6, 12. 1 remain 16, 2, 8, 16. 0 remain 2, 3, 6. Remainder is 1. I am doing here division. You have to do yourself. What is suitable for you? Remainder is 1 means I have to write 50. So 2868350 is your answer. 2868350 is your answer. So you have to do 33 into 50, 68497 into 50, 5342 into 50. This is for 50. Okay. Take out the screenshot, and this is the working. This one you have to make note always. Okay. Thereafter we will go to 150. This is little lengthier as compared to 25 and 50. As because we have to divide with 8, so more number of remainder will come. More number of remainder will come. Division with 125. 125 and the remainder we have to divide that number by 8. We have to divide the given number. Whenever any number multiplied with 8, then the given number by 8, and the remainder can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here this is 000, this is 125, this is 250, this is 375, then 500, then 625, 750 and 875. So these are the values for the reminders. Okay, so here also 125, this is 125. Any number if it is multiplied with 125, suppose 53 into 125. See, 8 number of 125 constitute 1000, or if you will add 125 8 times, then you will get 1000. So we have to divide the numbers. How many 8s are coming means how many 125s are coming in 8s. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to divide the number, given number by 8. Now I got the quotient 6 and the remainder 8, 6, 48 means remainder is 5. Now see there the value is 625 for remainder 5. Okay, this is just like also 48 plus 5 into 125, like previously I have explained in case of 25. So 48 can be expressed as 6 into 8 into 125 plus 5 into 125. So now 5 into 125 is what? 625, and this is what? How much? 1000. So 6 into 1000 plus 625, this is 1000. Now 6000 plus 625, this is 6625. The answer is this much. But you don't need to go through that method. Means that how you can explain. Somebody is asking to you how this is happening, so you can explain. Now if any other number like 249 into 125, 249 into 125. Okay, so now again the same process. If it is multiplied with 125 means divided by 8. Okay, 8 3 24, remainder is 0. Now 8 1 8, remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. So for 1 125, 31,125. 25. So you have to divide the number first with 8 and you have to check the remainder and you have to keep in your mind. Otherwise, if you forget this also, no problem. Multiply 125 and the remainder. 125 into 1, 125. 125 into 5, 625. Last 3 digit will be that much. Okay. If you forget this value also, you don't need to, or you will not face any problem. Okay. So like 6, 3, 4, 8 into how much? 125. Now how can we do this number? Same method. 6348 will be divided by 8. 8 7 56, then 7 is the remainder. 8 9 72, 2 is the remainder. 8 3 24 means remainder is 4. The final remainder is 4. 4 means 500. So 793500. This is your answer. And any 5 digit number, suppose multiplied with 125, 92480 into 125 into 125. So what you have to do? Again you have to divide the number by 8. 818, so 12. Now 818 44. Now 85 40 48, 86 48 and 0, then 800. So remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means 30. Again 30. So 1156000. This is your answer. If the remainder is coming 0, then you have to put 30 after that. Okay. So this is all about multiplication with 125. Now I'll ask you some question regarding this also. You have to do 364 into 125, 5938 into 125 and 43694 into 125. So 9 numbers you have to do. Okay. Multiplication with 25, you have to divide the number by 4 and this remainder always you have to keep in your mind. The remainder is important here. Okay, as because the right side value you are means putting by using the remainder. So if any number multiplied with 25 will be divided by 4, any number multiplied with 50 will be divided by 2, any number multiplied with 125 will be divided by 8, and thereafter you have to see the respective remainder. Okay, and you can use this formula to solve. I hope after watching this video you will be able to understand. Thank you for watching.